We have a lot of thorns here and you want to buy a glove, so I'm going to tell you my experience, at least with this brand that you see here. So I bought it on Amazon. They are like $15-20 and they're good. So if you grab, for instance, the thorns like that, I mean, it depends how you grab it. Sometimes if you squeeze it like too much or too soon and you don't let them, to be squeezed, it's going to go through the gloves. So even I got the same issue with this Nike tennis shoes, and you see the sole is very thick, but it goes through it. So it depends. So if you're wondering, okay, this is made of metal, is it like a shield, bulletproof, or anything like that, you're mistaken. But if you grab things, carefully, and you squeeze little by little and see if it goes through it or not. Don't do it, suddenly. I think these gloves, they are going to be very good. So for now, this is the best I was able to find on Amazon. They work, and I tried another ones. They don't work very well. The one that you can buy in Harbor Freight or some other place, usually is maybe if you have something like this very hot, or maybe for something else. But other than that, if you have this issue, these gloves, they work well. So this is the type of plant that I see here. So I have to get rid of it, and I have to take it out of my trailer, put it here, and that's it. So if you are wondering, is it worth it? Yeah, it's worth it because it will cover like at least half of your arm, and it will help you, to avoid any damage on your skin. Other than that, it's good enough, at least for these type of things. Grab a rake or something else, and that will help you, to move things around. I don't know if you want to bag it or burn it or whatever works for you. And that's it. So for now, it's good. I approve it. Maybe a 7 or 8 in the rating, and I think this is good enough. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. If you have something better, please let me know. And if you want to buy it, I'll leave you the link so that way you can get the same thing. Bye.